Did you know that this is the most powerful tool on the planet? We underestimate the power of the smartphone. If you have one of these and a Wi-Fi connection, you can make money on a daily basis by promoting a product on social media platforms. 5.4 billion people surf the internet every single day, and 67% of those are surfing on social media platforms. So all you have to do is stop the scroll. Get people interested in your product, send them to your website, let them put their email address into your capture page, where you can send them 30 days of emails promoting your product or service online. I promote a business that gives me 100% profit. I work 2 hours a day. I have no overheads and I have no inventory. I work to a proven 6-figure blueprint. And I work in the comfort of my home. So if you would like further information regarding my digital online business, put yes in the comments and I'd gladly get back to you with all those details.